Sales reps. You may have sales reps in your company and you need to monitor your sales rep performance. You can create your sales reps in Sage Business Cloud accounting software, and you can assign your sales reps to your customers, and you can generate a report sales by sales rep wise. You can add sales reps from customer module. You can go to customers, list of sales reps, click add sales reps. In this screen you can enter sales reps details and you can save. You can link your sales rep to customer transactions. We will enter customer tax invoice. If you assign any sales reps here, when you enter the customer transaction, system will display the assigned sales rep. You can enter invoice details and you can save the invoice. After that, you can generate a sales by sales rep report. You can filter by sales reps and you can generate the sales by sales rep report. Like that, you can use this sales rep option for link your sales rep to customers and generate a sales rep wise sales report.